If you'd like to grow your cake business and get more cake orders during the coronavirus pandemic, then make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you today how you can actually promote your cake business on my channel for free. Hi, I'm Amanda Gulik from CleverDoughCakes.com, and I help inspire cake decorators just like you with yummy baking recipes and fun cake decorating ideas and silly cake adventures. So make sure that you do hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know the minute my next video comes out to help you do just that. So today I want to share with you how you can actually promote your home cake business or even your cake bakery that is now closed because of COVID-19 on my channel for free. I know that a lot of our cake bakeries have had to close down, especially our home bakeries have had to close down during the pandemic because it's simply not safe to be close to other people or to be creating cakes at home that we're sending out in case we are potentially passing along harmful germs as well. So what do we do during this time to make sure that our cake business still not only survives but thrives? This is the time to actually build your business, to learn the education you need to learn on how to actually build a successful business. This is the time to take your cake business and bring it online, to learn how to have a successful online business from home, since we have to be at home for social distancing to help keep everybody safe. This is such an opportunity right now for you to really focus in on what your goals are, what you plan to achieve with your cake business. This is a time to really connect with your cake clients, to show them your portfolio of cakes, what you're capable of, and to build that personal connection so that they want to order their cakes from your cake business when you open up your doors again. This is a time to build your online presence. And I want to help you do just that by helping you promote on my cake channel. But I can only do this for a handful of people because, well, simply I don't have time to help everybody. So if you're interested, then make sure you stick around. I'm going to share with you what you're getting and how to apply. But first, let me tell you why I'm doing this. You see, 4 years ago, I actually ended up in a coma because of lung issues due to pneumonia that then progressed into severe acute respiratory distress syndrome, sort of similar to COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Although not the same, the effects are similar in that I was put on a ventilator and I was put in a medicated coma for 3 weeks to let my lungs relax and help my body fight back. I am very lucky to be alive. Just like with the coronavirus, my odds of survival were very low, about 20 to 40% chance of survival. So I'm very lucky to still be here. And you can actually learn more about that if it's something that interests you in my coma playlist over here. But the reason I wanted to share this with you is because I know that some of you, unfortunately, are dealing with the coronavirus or have family members or friends. I have people in my life who are fighting it as well. And it is important that we are there for them. But the majority of us are not personally fighting with the virus itself, but are being locked up at home due to social distancing and self-isolation to keep all the vulnerable people in our society, like people with lung issues like myself, safe. And that means we're having to shut down our businesses and work from home. So I wanted to help you find a way to still build your cake business from home, because this pandemic is not a good reason to stop your cake business. This is a time to get creative and find new ways to build your cake business so that once the doors open up again, you have a whole line of clients just waiting to have you make their cakes for them. And this is an opportunity to learn how to actually earn passive recurring income from each cake you make. One of my cakes earns me a couple $100 every single month for a cake that I baked once. You can see that in this video here. And I'm like, over the years, this one video has been earning thousands of dollars. I mean, who could bake a cake, and I didn't even decorate it for that video, and earn thousands of dollars on a simple sponge cake recipe that cost 20 bucks and 3 hours to make? Like, it was just unreal. So as I mentioned, I only have spots for a couple of people, so if you're interested, make sure you apply ASAP. So why would you want to promote your cake business on my channel? Well, first of all, my channel has been around since 2007, and if you type in any key phrase at all to do with how to bake a cake or cake decorating, cake baking, my channel will appear in the top 3 results more often than most other cake decorating channels. And that means you have a chance to promote your cake business in the top search rankings as well. Plus, my channel has had over 4 million views, and over 27,000 loyal subscribers are a part of this channel and look forward to my videos every single week. And that video could be yours and sending traffic to your cake business. Plus, I have over 20,000 fans in my Fun Cake Decorating Ideas Facebook page, and you will be promoted there as well. So let me tell you what I'm looking for and what you're going to get out of this. So I am looking for videos that you create for me with fun and yummy baking recipes, icing recipes, fun cake decorating ideas for other cake decorators to be inspired by, baking and decorating tips and tricks, and silly and just fun cake adventures that you have been on. What do you get out of this? You will get a dedicated video on my channel where you share your talents. And in that video, you're also going to get a link to your website, to your cake channel, your cake YouTube channel in the description below. You'll get, at the end of a video, you see how all the curators put videos at the end of their videos? You will get a chance for me to promote your channel on the end of my videos. Plus, you know how when you look up here and a card appears? So here's my how to bake a cake video. See how that's up there? So I can put your channel in there to send traffic to see your video as well. Plus, you will also get a dedicated post on my Fun Cake Decorating Ideas blog, and you will get a single dedicated email to my entire cake decorators email list. Plus, I will share your cake business and your YouTube channel and this video that you'll be creating for my channel across all of my social media. So Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, you will be promoted there as well. And I'm going to do all of this for free for you. And if you don't yet have a YouTube channel, don't worry, or a website yet, don't worry, because I'm going to help you with that too. I've got a link in the description below for a masterclass that I'm putting together to help you start your online business with my YouTube Success Secrets masterclass. So make sure you sign up for that so that you can get started on YouTube while you're stuck at home because of COVID-19 and get your cake business up and running and ready to just really blow it out of the park once we can open our doors again. And why am I doing this? Because I want to help more cake decorators just like you get inspired with yummy cake recipes, yummy icing recipes, fun homemade fondant recipes, great cake decorating ideas, tips, tricks, and fun and silly cake adventures. And as a lung patient, I can only create so many on my own with the help of my family. And I want to help as many people as possible. So I thought I'd open up the doors and let you promote on my channel as well, so we can empower even more cake decorators. And also find customers for you who want to hire you to make their cakes for you as well. All right, so how can you apply to promote your cake business on my channel? It's really easy. Simply go to my homepage. You can click on my name underneath this video, or just head over to youtube.com/AmandaVanderGulik/about. And on the bottom of the About page, there is a link for you to email me. I want you to email me and tell me why I should promote your cake business on my channel, because again, I can only open this up for a handful of people simply because I don't have the ability to help a huge amount of people, so I can only work with a couple of people. After you have sent in your application, then leave me a comment below and let me know that you've sent it in so I know to look for it, and leave a positive message below encouraging other cake decorators to apply and to share your biggest aha moment from this video. Make sure that you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know the minute my next video comes out, or else you're not going to know when I promote your videos. And if you know another home baker like yourself, or a home cake decorator, or even a bakery that needs some extra help right now, please share this video with them so we can help empower even more people. Thank you so much. Now go over here and I want to share with you how I created passive income from one cake. This one cake earned me over $4,982 and it cost me $20 to make. I'll see you over there.